All right, I was totally talking
and
not
not
even
even
having my
having my
mic
mic
up.
up.
Okay,
Okay,
so
so
let's
let's
redo
redo
this.
this.
Okay.
Okay.
So
So
hello.
hello.
Hi,
Hi,
I'm
I'm
here.
here.
I
I
have
have
decided
decided
that I
that I
really
really
want
want
to
to
just kind
just
of
kind of
do
do
devlogs
devlogs
at the
at the
beginning
beginning
of
of
my
my
game
game
dev
dev
streams
streams
now.
now.
Hold on, I
Hold
need
on, I
to
need to
turn
turn
something
something
off
off
because I
because
can
I
hear
can hear.
myself and it's distracting me. Okay. There we go. Okay, so I've decided that at the beginning of my game development streams, I want to do some devlogs just so I can kind of go over everything that I did the last time I streamed or whatever updates I did when I wasn't streaming. So that way I don't feel pressured to always work on everything while I'm streaming. I kind of do like using streaming as a way to kind of force myself to sit down and pay attention to something. So I do want to do a lot of streams while I'm working on the projects, but if there's like 30 minutes or an hour or two here and there where I'm like, okay, I want to work on this. So I don't want to feel pressured to not work on it because I'm not streaming it. So whatever. Devlogs at the beginning of the stream, that'll be great. It'll be a good refresher. And then I can also cut those out and make them into actual videos that I can upload to YouTube. So I haven't really worked on anything since the last time I streamed this project. So I do want to go over what I did. That was kind of the very first time I did any development on the game. Well, I had made some objects first, I guess, so that doesn't really count, but whatever. I want to go over kind of everything. The game is it's basically going to be something where you drop into different areas, you collect items. You have to kind of like look at the items and see, like, judge how valuable you think they're going to be. So let's say you pick up a painting and maybe you're like turning it around and you notice there's a lot of like chips in the frame or something like that. That would devalue this item. Where if there was nothing, it would be higher value item. So what I really want to do is have something where you maybe drop in maybe 1 to 4 players. You have to kind of decide what items on the map are going to be. First of all, you have to find them, and second of all, you have to determine how valuable they're going to be by just looking at that item. And then at the end of the game, you'll kind of go into like, I don't know, a little lobby area, and all of your items will be appraised, and whoever has the most valuable items, they will win. So, let me bring up. Right now, I'm just calling it the collectors because I figure you can be like kind of working for entities called the collectors, and you need to find items for them. So this is kind of what I have right now as far as like what I want to do with the very first prototype. I kind of have 3 different phases I want to work on this. We'll see if I do actually turn it into an actual game that you can play, but really I'm just trying to do something that I can add to my game portfolio and just kind of show off what I can do in Unreal Engine as well as a game designer. So the first prototype here, this is what I'm mostly going to be working to get finished. And then I want to export a build, maybe put that up on itch.io, have some friends play it. If anybody else wants to play it and just hang out, I figure this is kind of a good way to solidify the game loop and give a chance to kind of play test what I have decided in terms of like, is this an idea that works and is fun? If it's not, I can always stop, do something else, some other project. If not, I can move on and work on other things. I figure having it laid out like this helps keep me from getting out of scope. So I know that I have areas where I can come in here and kind of, if I decide, oh, I really want to add this to the game, I know I can add that into a different area of the prototype, or be like, okay, I know once I finish all of this, this is something that I can add later on, and I'm gonna find out if it's fun or if I'm just wasting my time, which, you know, sometimes that happens. So, yeah, this is the first basic things. So what I want to work on today is getting the interaction system up where you can inspect items and kind of turn them around after you pick them up and just get that functionality working in game. Hello, Raven Honey. Thank you for stopping by. Um, I'm hoping I can. I'm gonna be trying. So, yeah, with that, I'm just kind of going over what I've already set up. So this is a really brand new idea I've got, brand new, coming in on like my second session on working on this. So yeah, let me finish showing what I've got so far. So right now, what we did in the last stream was finish the functionality for showing what you can do when you hover over the items, and then as well as actually picking these up. And if I go into my outliner, I can click on my character and we can find this inventory component, which is something that I had worked on prior to the first stream I did on this. And what I ended up doing is, and I kind of knew this, but I wanted to test it out because when you try things, even if you know it's not going to work exactly as you have them in your head, when you try things, sometimes you discover new things. So I did actually end up doing that. But what was happening here was I would pick up the item and in a few seconds, it would disappear from my inventory. And that was because I had, if I go to the code here, I actually had it. Where's my item pickup? Yes, so right here, I have it pick up the item and then destroy the item. So what was happening was I was still using a pointer to that item that was in the world to destroy it. And even if it disappears on the world and you pick it up and you have it somewhere else, if you tell it to destroy that, it's going to destroy that item because it's pointing to the specific item that was there. So no matter where it is, it's going to disappear. So what I had to do was I actually went in Blueprint where to find it. Oh, that's visibility. Give me like one second. Okay, here we go. So I went through and just really quickly put this out there just to make sure I'm getting it right. This was kind of the same functionality where I picked up the item, put it in my inventory, and then destroyed it. So then I was able to go in here and add a debug message there just to make sure that everything was working as I had intended and that the problem really was that pointer to the object. So I was able to go in, fix that. I actually copy an item now. I believe that is in the code as well. So let's see. Yes, so right here. I am taking that item, I'm creating a new copy of the class that that item is created from, taking all of the data from that item and extracting it from the original item that was in the world, adding it to that copy of the item. And now there's a copy in the inventory that is not going to be deleted from in the, game world. So that was just like it should have been a quick fix, but I was kind of messing around, kind of just exploring what kind of things are possible. So now today we are actually going to work on that functionality to make it so that when you have an item like this, you can actually use that inspect and move the item around, whether you're picking it up from the world or from inside of your inventory. So let me look at some things. All right. So what I'm going to need to do is quit from that. So I kind of devised like two possible methods for this. Let me see. So here's my note. I can either have the full item just attached to the character, like I'd probably have to do another copy like that so it's not deleted from the world, so other players would be able to look at it as well, and it's not like jarring where you just like picked it up and then it's not there anymore. Maybe that makes sense. Maybe not, but because of the way I'm planning on to having the characters just kind of like look at everything and then put it back, I feel like it makes more sense to kind of leave it in the world right there and just have an interface where you're kind of looking at it. And then also, again, if you have an item in your inventory, you to be able to pull that up as well. So I kind of do have to have a method where even if the item is not in the world specifically, you need to be able to look at it. So first method, attaching it like that. The second method is to actually do a render to texture from a scene render camera. And that's kind of the way that I want to go, but I'm really going to have to see how I can get that set up correctly. Where that is kind of weird, I had to think a lot about how would I set that camera up and everything. Should I have it attached to the objects themselves? What's going on there? So that's probably what I will experiment with today, having those objects attached or having that camera attached on the object as well, which it might make sense to have a camera there too, because that way I can create like the inventory icons from the objects themselves when they are placed into the world. And that way you can also catch those details when I do the material or whatever for like a damaged look to something or damaged, dirty, whatever. So we'll see. I will start. So what we really need is that inspection object, which I feel like is gonna drive it no matter which way I do this. So I want to practice with code. So I am going to be doing everything in code. Or most things, or at least like setting up the classes. So, kind of seeing what I want. Probably, let's see. Because I'm thinking it could be a component, and then I could attach that to whatever I needed. Either way, I'm gonna need an object. If I do it as I'll do an actor because it'll be spawned technically. Okay. Yay. Now we wait for it to add. I want cute music. It's so weird without the music. All right. Let's see. Here we go. So now we have the actor here. I'm not sure if I will do any actual code quite yet, though. I might just do blueprint for now. Keep pressing plus. All right, there is our little actor. Okay, and I know I am going to want to put this into the character itself. Gonna remove this because we don't need it anymore. Okay, this one we are gonna need. Yeah, I'm gonna need a camera on this. And actually spring arm as well. Let's switch these. Okay. Yeah, all right. Camera, and then we are gonna need a slot, or actually, maybe I should not make that the root. Okay. And I need the mesh for the item as well. So this way, when we rotate the camera, we will be able to rotate it around that object. So, can I move the position? No. Okay, that's fine. Let's put a cube here. Just for reference. It's a large cube, but that's fine. Do like 500 to start. Use, no, okay. So, now that is there. And I actually might, let me see. After a snapshot of the thing. Oh, that's cute. Okay, this is what I need if, let me put this up here. So the scene capture component, that's what can show the object in a texture. And I'm probably gonna have to look up how to do that again because It's been a second since I did that and I don't remember. And I actually have another project I might be able to use to refresh myself. Well, I'll have that coming up. Texture, target. I'll make a new one. Canvas. I need to make the UI also. Canvas. That's cute. Well, so I've already got this actor. Maybe I should just attach it to one of these. Yeah, I should probably do that. Another scene render camera. Yeah. I wonder if I need a arm for this also. We'll see. I'm gonna look up where I did this in my other project. Yay. Okay, let's see. All right, so in this one, I actually did, let's say yes. Okay, I did do a spring arm. So I did this one. I don't have it set up right because I'm not using this character right now in this game. But I did this to do a UI where when you open the character menu, it shows you a picture of your character. So let's see. Let's see. Look at this. Just a regular render target then. Yes. Perfect. Let's go to that object. And it's blank right now because the game isn't started and there's nothing to take the photo of. But I can use that same information into here. So, do you want to add the spring arm? We'll go ahead. We'll give it a shot. I want to do orthographic, so there's no weird field of view effect there. New render target. Save. Oof. And then this, okay, I need to edit the spring arm. Let's see in the viewport. Oh, maybe I don't. I'm looking at the wrong item. Well, I do, but Hey. That should be okay, I think. Oh yeah, some of these are weird for some reason. Yeah. Fecal. You know, it actually kind of is a lot like Lethal Company. You're going to get items and sell them. Cool, and you don't see the cameras on the actual objects. Okay, so let's see. I need a UI, if we're honest. I do actually need one. Yeah, I already made. Yes. Yay! Okay, now we need to do a canvas. Show you a grid. Do a canvas because that's what I'm used to. We can always change it later. Okay, so kind of what I did. My UI, let me see if I can find it. Do I have it open? Might not have it. Always save. And if this app opens, it is gonna be on my third monitor. I don't think it opened. Let me see. Ooh. It's so bright. So bright. Okay, it did open. Ugh. You can kind of see where I was deciding how I want it to be. Well, I guess I didn't save that one. The one where I actually
just crazy.
did the the diagram. Okay, so basically, let me put this back down. So I want like 3 boxes right here. Or maybe eventually I might change that because I do want to like a PvE element to it. So I would need like the player health somewhere. I guess it could go up here. What are we, World of Warcraft? I don't know. Anyway. I get 3 right here to represent the 3 items that you have to collect. We would have another 3 over here because I want to do what is it called? Containers. I want to do containers for like protective containers. So the idea is that when you are in the world, you can pick up items, but if you take damage, the items on you could actually take damage and therefore change the condition. Each item will have its own condition, as in like how either like damaged or pristine it is. So in the final version, my vision for this, you could take damage and your items could end up taking damage, therefore lowering the value of the item. So I want to have where you can buy protective containers, so you can, if you have the right container, the item that you have will be protected against that extra damage that it might take. Okay, so I'm just making another blueprint here so I can make the buttons. Let me see. Yeah, I'll just leave it items right now. I can change it later. Okay. So I want horizontal box because they will be horizontal. And actually, maybe I'll do uniform grid. Yeah, that's cute. And then I can have image, image, image. Oof, desired slot width. Let's see. Let's go desired, get to the 1-to-1. So if this is on our screen, I usually start with 50 because that's a pretty, yeah, maybe 75. Yeah, we'll do that for now. Actually, yeah, that could work. Here's where I put how many items I want in there. It's the wrong kind of grid. Slot padding 5. Oof. That's not what I thought it was. Or is it? That's fine. Why is it not uniforming the grid? Oh, I know why. Okay. Row. 0, 1, and that's the wrong row of the column. 1 and 2. No, I don't. I'm just a person that wants to make games. So I gotta build a portfolio to get a job somewhere. So I can make cool games. So that's what I'm doing. I've been working with a religion for almost 2 years now. A year and a half plus. Yeah, about a year and a half now. Okay, I will name that. One, 2, and 3. Oh, wait. And I want these centered. Or actually, yeah. Fill the whole thing. Yes, there we go. Alright, have fun cooking. I'll check that in a bit then. Okay. That's pretty good, I think. Do I want the buttons that far apart? Yeah. Change the... It's gonna change it for all of it. What about in here? Heading, yay, okay. So I can add an extra 5 there. And 5 to the right. So it's these columns are gonna, in between, going to be uniform. And the top and the bottom don't really matter because we're just gonna place those wherever we want. But this way, if we end up stacking anything, they'll have the same amount of space. So compile that. And want to have these as variables? Yes. These were eventually going to change. We'll have those update when we pick up an item. That'll be fun. Okay, so let's take our item blueprint there. In here. I'm going to put the anchor in the bottom corner. And now, oh, no, -20. Oh, I guess -40 was pretty good. Okay, let's see. Go 1 to 1. Oh, that's actually kind of small. Might be because we have this set small. So what did we say, like 75? Whoa. Okay, hold on. How do I get the size of content? There we go. There we go. Bring up one more. Okay, that'll be pretty good. Pretty good for right now. So what I'm going to do is go into our project settings, maps and modes. We're going to edit our game mode. Here, selected game mode. There we go. And no, I didn't add it as a HUD. So hold on. Okay, maybe I should. Yes. All right. I'm gonna create another class. And I do this, so even if I don't end up using it, I will be able to do custom stuff in it. In the code rather than being locked to a blueprint, which you can change. You can always add a class later and change your blueprint to match your custom class. So it's not really a problem if you don't, but I know I'm going to use it, so I'm going to put it up. Okay. So that is going to load. Save everything. There we go. I don't know when my hotkey wasn't working. Okay, so let me see. I have to do this again. Let me see, because I don't remember exactly how this works. Gonna have to look that one up again. Okay, we'll just leave it like that and do stuff in here. We can figure it out later. So instead of that, what I will do is we will go to the player controller, which I think I have to make a custom one still. How fun. Okay. So what I can do here, event graph. Let's do on begin play. Okay, there we go. Construct objects from class. There we go. And the class is our HUD object that we made. And add to viewport. All right, let's see if that works. We're gonna have to go in here, add our new player controller. And there it is, our little set of boxes in the corner. I might move that over some more still, make it a little bigger. Yeah. Let's see. Let's just make it a full 150. Let's double the size. And actually, what we can do here, uniform grid. Oh, let's make that a variable. And we can take this. What is it called? Desired slot width. Okay, we can set width and set height. Well, that's the height already. Connect all these. All right. Oh, actually. Okay. Minimum desired slot height. We're gonna promote that to variable. And we will call it square slot size. Because I want to have rectangles eventually. Or actually, we can do like we just did with that one. Yeah, cool. Right. I'm gonna take this one down, but yes, we did it. Okay, so now when that updates, it will do it automatically. Okay, so if we let's put this, oh, we can't yet. Okay, so got that. If you refresh, it's doing the default number. And then if we change this, I'm gonna make that open so we can use it on other places. Yeah, let me change the default here. So the default value will now be 150. And we go back to the designer, compile, and it's the size that we want. We change it. It goes back automatically. Crazy. Okay. So let's look at our HUD in game again. Yeah, now it's bigger. Maybe a little too big now, but that's fine. I want to be able to see it while I'm in development. Okay, so now I have to go back into the HUD and we need to modify this positioning. Okay, that's cool. Reset, reset, use content size. And we are all set there. Compile. Now when we play the game, it's right there in all of its glorious glory. It is kind of big. I'm gonna change it actually. And we can just use our variable. Where did it go? Graph. 100. Yay. To 130? Yay! Cute. Okay. So now that we have that, I need to look at the item. Let's go back to our code because I did make a place on the item actor, or no, I didn't. I need to do that. Okay, so I've got a struct right here that just kind of saves all of the item data. And here I've done the item model, which that I know I'm going to hook that into a database of item objects. So right here, it's gonna be a texture. So let's see, or a material. Oh look, it's doing things already. What's not? How big do we want this? That's a good size because we're gonna move it down. Well, yeah. Yeah, if we have a 100 texture, that'll be good. Okay. Okay, let's see if I can have to look this one up. Okay, yeah. No need to do anything there, I don't think. Yeah, I want to yeah. Back to our actor. Get our camera. Okay, it is kind of small looking in there. So, just our spring arm. Well, it's a small item. What I really want to do is, I don't know. I know how I want to do it, but I'm not sure Unreal does it right. Is that I could take the size of the object and use math to determine how far the camera should be. Capture every frame. Yes. Capture our movement. Yes. Of course. We'll leave that for now, I guess. Okay. So let's see. Yeah, something's getting updated. I know there's something I'm missing. It's like this is capturing more than just the item. According to this. And it's doing all of them. I might have to look this one up. Honestly. Okay, let me close this. Close that. I think it's safe to say I can't close this yet. Okay. I'm gonna need an event. Okay. Because we're gonna need to call that event when ever a I wonder. Let me see which one of these I should do. Yeah. I'm gonna need to call that event whenever the item is updated or entered into the inventory. That's gonna present an interesting issue, I guess. Because I just put it straight in there. Maybe I can do that. Did I? That might just be a regular image. It is. Okay, yeah. So I'm gonna I've lost the train of thought for what I was saying. I need to update the image every time it's added to an inventory. There we go. Okay. So, opening the item list, assign item slot. Here is character, viewport image, find references, none. I didn't use it at all. That's a lie. Character, no. Really? Maybe it just updated because I put the image there. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I didn't. All right. Yeah, there we go. So I have to make a material to. Oh, yeah, this was to take out the other parts that we don't need. That's great. I guess I can add that now. I'm getting in the way of what I want to do, though. Okay, let me get back on track. Let me see. Because I do need to do that, but I don't really have to do it yet. Let me change that. Why am I tired? Item image. Yay. We'll put it on texture 2D for right now. We can always change it later. And what we're going to want to do with that is get the button image. We're going to update texture. Set brush from the texture. Target texture. I think that's it. I believe that's it. We'll find out later. Okay. So, and actually, let me see. I can cheat and just grab this texture. Right. Yes. Maybe I can't. I have to export, I think. I'm too lazy. New material. Okay. I'm gonna say opacity with yes. No, with alpha. This is what we're doing here, really. Really, really, really. And I really can just take this now. Put it over there. Put it in the wrong type of material. Oh, I know. Material domain. User interface. There we go. Okay. And then final color. Wait, what the fuck? Oh. Hmm. Where's the image thing? Is that what I want? No. Maybe? Oh no, it's fine. I'll just put... Yeah, I think I do. I want perimeter. Wait, I fucking forgot. What is the item called? My voice is leaving me. Oh, look, it's updating. Lovely. Yeah, item texture. Let's put that in there. Yes. This is so weird. Because what I'm gonna have to do is save, like, I'm gonna need a thing to create something to save each item separately. StarCraft 3. That is somebody's already making that, okay? Oh, look, it's without their crap there. I need to fix that. In the camera, I know it. Yeah, sure. Close. Camera. No, that's not it. I need... Oh. Hold on. It's one of these. Maybe? No, I remember I took it out because we took it out with yeah, what's the A value for it? Okay, let's look at this again. Tuesday, yeah, new opacity. Show only list. There we go. I think that's it. Yes. Put this back. There we go. I think. Leave a show only component. Do I have that? Is that like, let me see. No. It's time to Google. Oh. Adds a component to our list of show only. Okay, it's a function. So let's try this. Our static mesh. I'm afraid it's not going to do the cube though. Better do children also. Actually, construction. Here we go. Yes. Oh, wait. It was working. It was working. Was it? Oh. Damn, it added that whole thing. I'm curious. Let's see what happens. Yeah, that looks correct. Yay! Yay, yay, yay! It's still so far away though. What do I do? Nope. It's fine. It's fine. And what I may even want to do. Is there like an out? No. Okay. Or what do you call that? A. It starts with an S. No. I don't see it. Oh no. Maybe. Okay, well, that's fine for right now. Lost my stream. Where is it? Because I googled. Oh, it's right here. Okay. All right. So now we have this image with the alpha, and we can tell our thingamabobber. Let's see what happens when we put it. Okay. What did it need to be? Oh, here, this is what I'm looking for. Wait. Let me see. Paintbrush. Can I use our item? Yes. So what I actually need to do here, maybe I'll change this to material. Yes. And get the brush. Image set brush. And I'm going to actually break image. Okay. Make a brush. Draw as image. We need an image. Make the slate brush. There. Yay! And let's do a little testy test with our item image. And it didn't work. Let's see. What the fuck? Maybe. No, that's right. I do want an outline setting. Three pixels. See if it clocked that. Maybe not. The heck? Okay, let's do this. I did the complete opposite alpha. Weird. Stop, Jared. Yeah, I'll do that real quick. Maybe. Let me see. Yeah, that's it. So I might not even need to. Well, I would still. Wow, look at it. It's a cube. Yeah. But I need to put a background. Oh no. Just a black background. I can do that. With an outline. That's what I want. Oh, where's it? Here. Okay, let's pull this a little bit closer. See how it works. Yeah. That's pretty good. I like how I'm doing the exact opposite of what I said I was going to do today. It's not the exact opposite. It's related. It's not what I said I was going to do. Okay, so I've got that. So I think that's good to just kind of show the camera is working and it's doing what it's supposed to do. So there's still the... I have to put this object on, attach it to the character, and rotate it. Also, hi! Hello! Let's see. Close. Close. I shouldn't have closed that one. Okay. So I have to attach now to our character, and so I'm just gonna straight up make an attachment point. So I can either do it as a HUD attachment, which I want to do anyway. I want to have HUD attachment. So let's make that. Oof. Wait, I didn't do. I can't change it. The widgets. So let's try that again. Okay, widget blueprint. Use my object. Okay. Widget blueprint. What is it? Interaction inspection UI. All right. So, inspection UI. We want this to take up the whole. Where's my panel? Do I need? No, I don't really need that because I already have that. So, well, bad. And you want to procedurally just generate. Okay, yeah. Let's see. We'll do. I don't even know what I want to do. I mean, I know, but let me see. Scale box, place content with design. I don't want to just do a canvas. It depends how I want text. Do I want... Well, I guess it doesn't actually matter because I can just shove it on there and put where I need to... Hold on. Actual thought process in progress. It's great, guys. Great. Really great. Regular UI HUD. Like, weren't ads supposed to be starting soon? What's happening? Were they ending? They ended. Okay, cool. I guess. Hold on, let me refresh this. I don't really want to refresh them because then I'll lose my chat. Reopen another window. Okay, there we go. The ads have started. Oops. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. I'll just kind of wait. Let's thought process. Oh, I'll thought process. Let me look at my notes. Hmm. I want to have a little snacky snack. Snacky snack. Lock input to inspection. Camera only. Yes, nice. Oh no, I didn't. Forgot to change to my live scene. Yay, okay. Yeah. I totally forgot to change to my live scene, guys. So now we're back in the live scene. Whoops. Okay. So, um what was I doing? I was putting together what I need to do now is do the object that's gonna like pop up kind of right here. And what I said was I would have a blur. Where's the blur? Blurred background. Yes. And this item, I just want over the whole thing. Like, it's just gonna take up the whole screen. Can I size to content that where the content is just the whole? No. Okay. Can I make it where it's just the whole? What the crap? blur strength. What, like 3, 2, 3, 5? Just fuck them up. Yeah. Let's do that, just to, yeah. But we don't want this to be visible all the time. Collapse it. Okay, let's see. How do I have an item that's just the whole screen? Okay. No. Not though. This should be so easy, and somehow it's not. I guess resolution is something I can set as an option. Let's take this out for good measure. Okay, yeah, that's for the content. Let's just do that in the middle. Yeah, we're good there. Okay, content. We're gonna do middle for content, because that is where we're gonna place our box. Our inspection box. Maybe grid panel. Let's see. Okay. Very green funeral. Why does the caption say that? Whatever. Okay, how do I save all again? There's a command. And I'm pressing it and it doesn't ever work. Okay, whatever. Yeah, very green funeral. Getting sleepy. Oh no. Okay, so we pick up the item. Let's go to our item pickup. Oh, I might have to code that. Let's see. Let's open the code. Item pickup. I need okay, yeah. Item image. Oh, that's why I stopped it. Oh my god. So much ADHD. I'm gonna comment this actually because I'm not sure what to really do with that yet, and I will look it up later. So I need on my character an attachment point, I think. Or maybe I should just make just have it there all the time. I still need to put it there, but because we're gonna be looking at items the whole time. Hmm. Well, I guess I don't need to because I'm doing it. If I do it as a HUD, I just open the HUD. We put the texture in there. Let's see. Let's do that. Let's just put the texture in there. And that's just taking the whole thing desired size. There we go. So I'm gonna want a box. Tile view. That's cute. So my thought process is I want text on the screen. I don't necessarily I can't put the condition. Let's see what item property. Oh shit. Item properties we have again. Close this. Okay, item properties. The quality, the condition. I could put the category. It doesn't really affect the price though. So I might just have like inspection, maybe the item name. And we're just gonna look at it, I guess. So we'll just do the image. That's it. Cool. Image all set. Brush size. Not 1000. 1:1. Yeah. 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 700 by 700. That should be pretty good. Item image is variable is checked. So we're all good there. Oh, I haven't checked it. Okay. So okay. I wonder if I can do a pre-construct on this. Yeah, I could. Yep. Yay, maybe. So we'll get this variable. We are gonna need the brush again. Set brush from material. Can we do that? Let's see. Item. Let's just see what happens here. Bam. Perfect. Oh, I can't add variables. Damn. So I'll need a custom event, I guess. Again. Yeah. Oh my god, look at me. Look at me go. Custom event. Update item image. Yeah, actually. Yeah. Then it's just like the other one that we made. I need to find music. Or maybe I'll just make some with the AI music maker that I have. Hey, I could do a music making stream and make some with my actual music making skills. Damn. I'm so like I thought I muted myself earlier and I didn't. I'm so glad because I was like, fuck. I've been talking all this time and just nothing. But no, we saw a very green funeral, and also I see the captions, so it's fine. Okay, that's actually a great way to tell if I'm muted or not. Good job, me. I'm glad I thought of that. I didn't think of that, but I thought of it just now. And I'm glad it worked out that way. So now I remember it forever. Okay. So, item image is going to be that item. And it is stuck there forever. Where is it? Now it's not there because I didn't do the construction. Okay. I didn't tell it to with an item yet. Yay. Okay. So the default is going to be blank as hell. So, bam. That's the default. Let me check to make sure it edits correctly when I construct compile. Okay. It still has that there. Okay, so I will have to do color and opacity. Update freshman material. Color, opacity. Let's see. Color. Set color and opacity. Perfect. And white. And let's I want to straighten those, then move that down. Move this over a little bit so I can see it. Perfect. Save, compile. Let's see if it works now. Actually, no. Oh, that's the wrong thing. It should still work though. Okay. That kind of did the thing. Actually, why didn't it? Oh, I know why. Actually, oh wait. Go back. I can just put it right here. Yeah. Okay, now let's test. Perfect. Okay. So now we have that. I can put that into this HUD. Inspection UI. And actually, I'm gonna go ahead and put that back so we can see it. Yes, and it's not blurred or anything. We're doing it, guys! Yay! Okay, now it's time to test. Let's see, if I move this spring arm. Does it update the texture? It does, look at it. It's happening. And I'm thinking I should put perspective back now, because that's kind of weird. Yeah. Yeah, that'll be much better. I'll have to edit things, I guess. But that's what, okay, let me go back because I don't want to save that. Well, no, it's fine. Do I want less field of view? Oh god, it's doing a weird thing. Actually, I think I would just need to move it closer. Yeah. What was it, like 90 before? This is probably going to take some finagling. Doesn't really matter because I'm gonna have the players actually gonna be able to control it on their own. So I think 75 is pretty good for like a starting point. But this way I can, when I do the math to figure out where to start the camera, it won't be as difficult to find. Or I've already got the ratio that I want for it to start. That's what I mean. Maybe a little closer. Maybe that might be fine. Okay. So let's save that item. And we can actually start putting in some functionality to bring up this menu when we hit F. So I want to go back to our interaction. And I actually want to switch these around. Because I don't know, it feels weird having inspect first, even though that's kind of the flow that I'm trying to go for, that you look at it first, then decide to pick it up, but it doesn't really matter, and players are going to do whatever either which way, so it doesn't matter. So I'm just going to do it the way it looked. I don't know, having F before E felt weird when I was looking at it and in the world. So this F. So we want to go to player controller. Yeah. Okay. Inspect item. So that's what we want to do. We're gonna put this debug key there too. And actually not that one. Oh, nope. We can change it, so it's fine. F. Yeah, F before E, except after C. Or crouch. Or sometimes it's crouch, I guess. Okay, let's see. We're gonna do the same kind of thing here, where when we press the key, it's going to task the character to do a thing. Actually, I'm gonna do it like this because I like that better. Okay, so the character is now going to, instead of picking up the item, it's going to activate the widget that we did. So, actually construct object from class. Oof. I put it in the HUD already though. So, do I want to do that? Actually, because I could construct it every time, but that means I'm going to be constructing it every time. But I could have it just hidden inside of the like collapsed. Okay, buddy, I'm aware. You're not even connected to anything. What? Okay. Yeah. So I can uncollapse. How do I get the HUD though? I forget. Okay, it is attached to the player. No. Yes. Where the hell did I put it? Where did I put it? It would make sense that it's in here, but I don't see it. I fucking lost it already. No, what? Where did I put the HUD script to attach it to yourself in game? What? Oh my god. Um, I made a new player controller. Why would I do that? All right, so now actually I need to take all of this and put it in there. There we go. There we go. Okay. Added to viewport. Perfect. Okay, so I am actually going to save this as a variable. Remote. Put that in there. Make sure I don't have extras there. I did. Set. And to new var. Okay. We're gonna call this one player HUD widget. Ouch, my back. Oh god, I'm old. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Okay, player HUD widget. Let's get that shit. And we want to say, what was it called? Item. Inspection UI. Oops. Okay, from the inspection UI, we want to, was it visibility? Visibility. Set visibility. Visible. Non-hit testable. I don't think we need to click on it. We're just going to use the controls to spin it around. Okay, and I don't really need that, so we don't have to cast. And I'm gonna put it there. So let's see how get visibility. Is there a toggle visibility? There's not a fucking toggle. Visibility is visible. Widget is visible. Returns true. Oh, okay. There is. Perfect. Perfect. Branch. Now we can make the if statement where if it's visible, okay. Okay. And I don't need this anymore. Oh. Align. All right. If visible, true, we want to set it to oh well. If false, well, I can do that and then come on. Not visible, we're going to set it to hit testable. If it is visible, we will set it to collapsed. I want to use the target. Here we go. Okay, let's see how this works. Oh no, I can't even move now. Oh no. Oh, it's because... Okay. Player controller, where was it? Okay, we need to, this class right here, it's the default class. So what happened is when I made the blueprint, I didn't change it to our actual blueprint class. So class settings, you can change it right here. Change parent class to our actual class, and it was just the collectors. Player controller. There you go. And we know it'll work because in the default one that Unreal gave us, it's got that same class there. Okay. Save. Let's play. Oh god, it's not working. I lied. Okay, let me see. Maps and modes. TC. Where's the player controller? Why is it stuck? Oh, I know. The input mapping context. I forgot that. So this is the regular default. And I don't think there's anything else we need to change. Yep, there we go. Yay! We fixed it. Okay. So now I can move around again. And I want to inspect. And it's not doing anything. So that's fun. All right. It's time to debug. I think I can... Nope. It's not cool like that. Like the PCG stuff. Okay, toggle breakpoint. It's F9. Okay, remember that. Let's see if it's triggering at all. It is. So it's triggering. Was condition true? It's saying that it's visible. Huh. To inspection UI? Is it visible? Visibility, non-hit testable, self only. Okay, that's a lie. Or is it? Let's see. It might be saying no because I went into it. Okay, let's see. Oh, I know why. The background blur is what it is. Okay, so is variable. And we want to change this to, we'll just change it to inspection UI. File. And we will go back here. And now we need to change this because this is not the one we're looking for anymore. So get inspection UI. That's the new target is visible. Delete this. Put that in there. The line. Whoops. Distribute it like that. Line. Okay, we'll put it back that way. Okay. Cool. Now, oh yeah. We need to reconnect these. Now we should be all set. So we'll disable this. Go in, and actually we should be able to press F anytime because of the debug thing. And yeah, there it is. Wow, we did it! Yay! So the next step, of course, is to actually get these, the image from the boxes. Well, we will need to do the boxes, get the camera right for actually displaying the boxes dynamically. Right now I just have the texture in there on its own. So let me to-do list. Let's to-do list. Let's make a to-do list, guys. F to inspect. We did that. Inspection object to player. Kind of. Not really. I'll say we got the texture displayed on the UI. We did it. We did a render to texture. We got the scene render camera attached to the object. Congratulations. Wonderful. So that's great and everything. But the problem is going to be, well, maybe not. Well, yeah. Maybe not actually, because the object will exist in the world even if we can't see it inside of the character's inventory. But the blueprint that has a thing is going to need to be created because right now I just have data, a struct of data, an object. Well, yeah, we'll have to construct a blueprint object. So, yeah. So what I'm envisioning for the inspection object to be is something that's attached to the player. It's a temporary blueprint object actor. Temporary blueprint actor. With data from object. And what else? Yeah, that's will be invisible, and it will have all of that camera and everything. So what will happen? Oh, I did that. Yay. Okay, we did this. We did this. Yay. We did F to leave. We did it. Okay, I actually did write these down. So great. So what do we have left to do? I lost my train of thought. Okay, so now we have to be able to pick up the item or inspect the item, put the texture on the HUD, and be able to rotate it around. Rotate and zoom. Object only. Yeah. So that's going to be a lot. Well, maybe not. But I'm going to do some research just to better understand how to transfer controls over to the object. I'm guessing I might need to turn it into a pawn instead of an object. So then I could just change the user input. Well, I might not have to do that. But the idea is that I'm going to take the item and transfer the controls to the item. So you're not going to walk around in world. You're going to zoom in and zoom out and rotate. Yeah. Cool. All right. Well, I'm going to call it for now. It's like 11 o'clock. And I want to stream for about 2 hours. And we're at 2:14. So I'm going to wrap it up. This was fun. I do think I got a lot done. Even if I was kind of all over the place, but that's how it is sometimes. That's why I keep notes. Always take notes because then you can know what you need to do. And I have the little check boxes so I can check off what I know I've done. And to have all of this in this section and actually be able to check off 5 of these boxes, 6 of these boxes, that's pretty good, I would say. Especially for 2 hours time. Imagine if I had 8 hours a day. Yeah. All right. Well, thank you everyone for hanging out. Smash the follow button if you would like to be alerted for our next stream. I might play a game. I might do more of this. I have a class tomorrow, so I might not stream, but I might stream a game. I don't know. Palworld is coming out, and I'm gonna stream that. Oh, and I need to stream the new Final Fantasy stuff because I'm behind. So I don't know. I might do that too. So we'll see. But I will definitely do more game dev on probably Thursday. Definitely Friday. We might have depending on what my friend does. I think he'll probably just play a single player, but we might Lethal Company, might not. Yeah. Thanks so much for hanging out. Bye-bye.